think about safety covers on a day like today, but let's face it, winter will be here before you know it, and you need to be prepared. If you have damaged safety covers that are in need of repair or replacement, then you need the Cover Doctors. This simple program allows you to package up your safety cover, put it into a box sent to you by GLI Pool Products, and send it back to us. Back at GLI, our diagnostic specialists will go ahead and diagnose your safety cover. If a repair can be made, we'll send you the quote for the repair. If a replacement needs to be made, and a lot of covers need to be replaced, we'll send you a quote for a replacement. Now, the genius of this program is that we have your old cover. That means we can build your new cover to your existing cover specifications. What does that mean to you? That means your new cover will almost perfectly match your existing cover's anchors. However, it is important to note that in some cases you may need to re-drill some anchors. Why? We have your cover. This is because of potential material changes, the differences in new drain options, and adjustments that may be required to meet current ASTM standards. In our experiences, there is a potential for approximately 10% re-drill rate. Now, let's continue through the program and show you how easy this really is.
So we've gone ahead and given you a good idea about the program. Now we're going to show you. The first thing you're going to want to do is measure the length and width of the pool. And on your Cover Doctors form, put that information along with the general shape of the pool so we have it here at GLI. Next, remove all of the springs from the pool. Now this cover is really old and quite worn, so we had to be very careful when removing the springs. If you've got a cover like this, you'll want to do that as well. Next, you and a strong assistant will go ahead and pull the cover off the pool. Be careful not to get it in the water, as that could be a big mess. After you get the cover off the pool, you're going to want to take it to a nice open area where you can lay it out so that we can continue with the process. So now we have our cover outside and we're removing all of the springs from the cover. Then we'll clean it off and let it air dry. We do this to remove any excess debris that's left over from the winter. Then we'll fold it accordion style and roll it up like a sleeping bag so we get a nice tight fit in the box.
All right, so you got your safety cover in the box. Now I'm going to show you how to properly affix your labels to your box and get it ready for FedEx. The first thing you're going to want to do is in the front of your box, GLI sent you a nice packet of information. Go ahead and take it out. In there, you're going to find your prepaid shipping label. You're going to put it right here where it says prepaid shipping label. You're going to take out your RA label. Your RA label is going to go right here where it says RA label. And you're also going to find a nice yellow RA tag. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and put the RA label tag onto your safety cover. So, take a strap from your safety cover that's squarely away in your box. Take the zip tie. And firmly zip tie it to your cover. Next, I'm going to show you how to put the labels on your box. Okay, now that you got the RA tag affixed to your cover, we're going to move on and put the labels onto the box. The first one we're going to put on is your shipping label that is prepaid back to GLI. Go ahead and peel it and firmly put it on where it says our shipping label. You'll see here that this is your FedEx tracking number. Keep it, you don't want to lose it. The next one is your RA label. You're going to put it right here where it says RA label. You're all ready to go. Now all we have to do is tape up the box and move it to a proper location for FedEx to pick it up. Now we're ready to tape. We're going to go ahead and make sure we put a good amount of tape on here as we want it to be safe during its travels back to GLI. Okay, We're firmly taped up. Now we're going to move it to a good spot that FedEx can find it to pick up. Okay, so you moved your cover to an easily accessible spot for FedEx. We've chosen right next to the garage. Now you're going to want to take that packet of information that came from GLI, locate the FedEx phone number, and give them a call. Tell them the tracking number that came with your label. It's either here or here, and tell them where you put the box. That's it. You're ready to go. Hey, thanks for watching. We hope you found this video very informative. Thank you for choosing the Cover Doctor.